said so many times in my channel that I like glitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a swatch and a review on the Revlon So Fierce the Big Bang eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. And then in the back it has 966 the Big Bang, and then of course the ingredients, and it lets you know 18 months once you open it. That's how long you have to use it, and then you have to discard it if you don't. So let's open this. Again, this is the 966 the Big Bang Revlon So Fierce palette. And it looks like this. So again, this is like a gold, like a pink, like a copper, and like a bronze. So it is 4 eyeshadows in this palette. They do not have a name. Let's go ahead and swatch them. That's pretty. Actually looks like a very pretty hollow color. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. I added a little bit of my eyebrow pencil and a little bit of eyeliner just to see how it would look with a full kind of like going glam. And it looks very pretty, guys. I really like it. I really like the shimmer. And how I said so many times in my channel that I like glitter, like a lot. So I'm very happy with this palette. I really like this palette, you guys. I like that it's small, it's convenient. It reminds me of the e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, that they're so small that you can put it in your backpack, in the back of your jean pocket, in your purse, leave it in your car, leave it in your locker, at work. I like that it's very small and convenient. I also really like the colors, and I like how they apply to my eyes. I just really liked it. They weren't rough. Sometimes some glitter products are rough because of the glitter. These weren't, and the glitter shows up like a little shimmer. It's like very pretty. I really like it. And I thought that the brown, kind of bronze one wasn't going to show up, but it did. And I like how it gives it kind of like a little bit of a smoky. Will I use this product again? Yes, I will. My final rating out of 5, I give this a 5. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.